Hello my YouTubers and welcome to Silly Sid 123. The following clip you're about to see is another old video taken back in 2015 at my previous address. This video includes my very first washing machine, which was a Caravan twin tub. You might all recognise this machine, as some of you may already have one or used to have one. Unfortunately, it was quite broken at this time of videoing. Through the video you will see that the lid fell off the wash tub, but it was fully functional and working, and the clothes that you saw in the wash, at the time I had a girlfriend and I was doing her washing as well as mine. So please enjoy this old clip. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. It is the only video I actually have of that twin tub. After buying it in 2010, I honestly thought I would have it forever, until realising in 2016, before it was scrapped, that it was more broken than I thought. So it was time to say goodbye. So hope you've enjoyed this old video back in 2015. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.